Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over what to do and how to fix your Tesla horn not working. Now this is the Tesla horn. If it's not working, you can actually just open this component up, and usually the issue is with the connectors being loose. Okay, you need to make sure they're properly seated, such as this. If they are, it should work. But sometimes it can just be a software glitch as well. You can try performing a soft reset by just holding down both the scroll wheels, okay, on your steering wheel until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo basically reappears on the touchscreen. What this does, it often clears the minor electronic issues, and also just ensure your car's software it's up to date, as these updates can sometimes resolve the unexpected problems. Okay, just keep that in mind. Make sure every connection is properly connected, and that should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.